Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Finding the area between curves is easy if you know the right trick. Let's solve this calculus problem together in just 60 seconds. Watch this. First, we need to identify the boundaries of our shaded region. Looking at the graph, the region is bounded vertically between -1 and +1 on the y-axis. Let's go! Next, we determine which function is on the right and which is on the left. The graph shows that g of y is on the right and f of y is left. To find the area, subtract the left function from the right function. This gives the integral of g of y minus f of y. Well done! Option B is correct. Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and follow steps to avoid a rush.